Auto-ship.
So, you've just enrolled on the auto-ship program with Mirinda. You probably chose to enroll because auto-ship is the key to building your business with Mirinda. Or maybe you just love the convenience of the automatic monthly shipments. Regardless of the reason you enrolled, AutoShip makes getting your favorite Mirinda products easier than ever.
Oh?
You simply choose the Mirinda products that you want shipped to you each month. Once you've decided, we'll automatically send out your AutoShip on the 15th of every month. And don't worry, you can change your products or program at any time.
I want it now.
No problem. We can always send them out earlier with just a phone call. If your dog has eaten your phone, no sweat. You can still place your order online. In addition to the convenience of having your favorite products automatically shipped right to you, there are many other reasons that make AutoShip an absolute must. For example, did you know that AutoShip can actually make you healthier and wealthier?
Healthy and wealthy?
Well, chances are you enrolled in the company because you were looking for a specific benefit from one of our products. Whether you want to be more active, younger looking, or just all around healthier. Consumption of our products is not a one and done sort of thing. Regular usage is key to their success, and AutoShip ensures that you will never run out. Now, some people out there pay more than they need to for their products, but you look like the kind of guy that likes to save money. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Not only is AutoShip designed for those who want to see results from their products, but it's also for those who like to save money. As long as you are enrolled on AutoShip, you will pay the lowest possible price on every Mirinda product.
What about the Tahitian Noni original beverage?
Yes.
We build protein shakes?
Yes, every product. By being enrolled on AutoShip, you already qualify for the greatest discount we offer as a company. Now, the discounts get better and better. You're on the AutoShip option of 120 QV, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, every IPC on an option with at least 120 points will get a 20% rebate for everything purchased above 120 QV.
Whoa. If I buy additional product, you give me 20% rebate?
That's right, 20%.
Oh boy. Yellow. Check this out.
But one of the best benefits of AutoShip is still to come. When all of your friends and family notice how much healthier you are and how much money you're saving, they will want to enroll on AutoShip. And when they do that, you will qualify for commissions payments.
Ooh, commissions.
Yes, we will pay you for sharing the benefits of Mirinda products with your friends.
Wait a minute. AutoShip is not just a convenient way to get products shipped to me each month, but also a great way to save money?
Yep.
Plus, I get paycheck for each person I refer to enroll on AutoShip?
You've got it. Basically, AutoShip is a super customizable, real money saving, great money earning, super convenient, truly time saving, incredibly health promoting, amazing way to get your products and be healthier. To learn more, call our customer service line or visit www.mirinda.eu.com.